Yeah, g'day. It's Chriso. How you doing, everyone? DIYs. What I'm doing in this toilet area is the owner has 3 of these toilets and they can't get parts for the cisterns anymore, so they're changing the toilets, and they're also a higher toilet because the owner has difficulty in walking. So I'm working in with the plumber. What he's taken off here is a little bit too much, but I'm going to be resheeting the whole wall. I'll trim around here in aluminium. I'm going to be laying a mosaic. So what I do here is pack out the studs out to this so I'm flush, and then resheet it. They were laughing. I'll leave that there. I'll go over that, over that, over that. So I'll bring the sheet up to here. I'll take another video as I'm going into it a little bit further. Okay, we'll see you soon.